Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.
Hi, this is Khushi Chauhan and you're watching Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world. Since the onset of monsoon rains in Bihar, a series of bridge collapses have begun, disrupting connectivity for numerous villages. Over the past 15 days, several vital bridges have fallen, causing significant inconvenience to thousands of people. The series of collapses started on June 18 in Araria district, where a bridge over the Bakra River crumbled. Following this, a bridge over the Gangdak River in Siwan district was washed away on June 22. The day June 23 saw another collapse in East Champaran, followed by incidents in Kishanganj on June 27 and 30. On July 3, an unprecedented event occurred in Siwan and Saran districts, where 5 bridges fell in a single day, including one from the British era. The collapse of these bridges has been primarily attributed to the heavy water flow, though many older bridges have withstood the same conditions. In Siwan, the bridge between Tegra and Tevta fell. Severe conditions for villages like Bohpur, Mishravlia, Bajaria, Pandepur, Khannori and Nautan. This bridge, 13 feet long and 8 feet wide, was built 35 years ago with funds collected by villagers. In Maharajganj, Siwan, a bridge in Deoria village collapsed, cutting off several villages in Maharajganj and the Ronda blocks. This bridge, built in 2004 with a cost of around 10 lakh INR, was 30 feet long and 12 feet wide. Similarly, another bridge near Nautan Sikandarpur village in Siwan, built in 1998, also collapsed, causing significant disruption for thousands of residents. In Saran's Dandaspur Panchayat, a 150-year-old British-era bridge over the Gandak River collapsed. This bridge had been in use till its collapse, with residents demanding a parallel new bridge for a long time. Additionally, another British-era bridge in Basahi village is in deteriorated condition. In the Lalhatpur block of Saran, a bridge built in 2004 near the Shirodinath temple also fell due to the heavy water flow. This 70-foot-long bridge, constructed at a cost of 22 lakh INR, fell within moments under the pressure of the water. The collapse of these bridges has severely affected thousands of people, disrupting daily life and connectivity. The residents of Siwan and Saran districts in particular are facing immense hardship due to the served connections of their villages. Authorities attribute the bridge collapses to the heavy water flow. However, older bridges have managed to survive the same conditions. There is an urgent need for the administration to take swift actions to address this issue and provide relief to the affected people. While the monsoon rains have brought joy to farmers in Bihar, the series of bridge collapses have added to the woes of the rural population. The administration must find a permanent solution to this problem to prevent such incidents in the future and ensure safe transportation facilities for the people. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.